art is broad. Like there's sketching, there's sculpture. They are diverse. There's digital art, there's cartoon, realistic drawing. So what exactly do you base on? What exactly do you find so much joy drawing? What kind of art gives you inner peace when you draw it? It could be that you're really good at drawing big realistic drawings and not smaller ones. Or it could be that you love to draw cartoons like anime and stuff like that. Or maybe you can't even draw at all. You're just good at sketching. In fact, you right there are good at drawing stickman. I can keep going on in the list of different kinds of art. However, there are artists who can diversify. That's their calling. But if you can't, then stick to what is best for you. Nevertheless, there's always room to learn. That's why this channel is here, to help you favor your art.